guys, today's recipe is a special treat. We're gonna be preparing stuffed chayotes. And if you've ever seen this vegetable at your local supermarket and wondered what the heck to do with it, well, this is the perfect recipe. They're filled with cheese and fried in a whipped egg batter until crispy golden brown. It'll be love at first bite. Now let's get started. Okay, so to start this recipe, I have here the chayotes. These are similar in taste to a potato, but have the same texture as a crispy cucumber. They actually grow on a vine, and to prep these, I'm simply going to be peeling the skin off, which tends to be a bit tough, and these vegetables have a very slippery coating, so be careful as you slice them in half down the middle. Cut off the top, and once it's sliced open, remove the seed. This part is edible, but I'm going to be taking it out today. Then I'm going to be cutting each side evenly into 3 slices. We're going to use these sliced chayotes to sandwich with slices of cheese, but first these need to be boiled in some salted water for about 15 minutes. For those of you who are new to my channel, I post quick and easy recipes every single week, so be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on them. Now, once the chayotes are soft, you'll be able to stick your fork into them, and this is how you know that they're ready. If you're not quite sure, go ahead and take a bite out of one. You want to just make sure that they're nice and soft, but not mushy. Drain out all of that water, and what I'm going to be doing now is taking a slice of cheese and placing it in between 2 slices of that chayote. This is mozzarella, but feel free to use a nice and stringy Oaxaca cheese or even just a Monterrey Jack. And if you wanted to make this recipe using other vegetables, check out the links down below, which use the same process, all of them delicious and unique in their own way. Once they're all assembled, I'm going to be placing them to the side, and then it's time to prepare the whipped eggs. By simply separating 5 egg yolks from the whites, I'm going to be whipping the egg whites on a high speed for 2 minutes until they're firm and tripled in volume. Quickly then add the yolks and mix it only until it's barely incorporated in. Get that skillet ready with a bit of oil because it's time to fry these up. Dip the chayotes into the batter and place them into the hot pan. They fry up very quickly, only about a minute or 2 on each side. Once it's golden brown, carefully flip it over with your spatula or 2 utensils, and once they're done, place them on a paper towel to drain a bit of that excess oil. You want to serve these delicious chayotes with this salsa. This is really simple to make. It's just tomatoes, onion, a garlic clove, and a jalapeno with all of its seeds removed. I'm going to bring this up to a boil with only a cup of water and a teaspoon of salt, and after about 5 minutes the tomatoes should be soft. You're then going to simply blend this up and simmer it for 1 to 2 minutes more with a teaspoon of oil. Once it's nicely fried up and becomes this deep red orange color, it is time for the best part. We're going to be serving these chayotes up with a heaping teaspoon of that delicious salsa, and go ahead and give it a slice. That cheese should just ooze right out, and it is love at first bite. These chayote vegetables are so tender and juicy, and nothing compares to that fried whipped egg batter. They truly are a special treat. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to check out my website for more quick and easy recipes, all of them with a unique twist.